Hello guys, welcome to Dingpong channel. And why am I carrying this backpack here? Well, guess what? This backpack is not mine. It's my wife's backpack, and guess what? This is her favorite backpack. The one problem with this backpack is there's lipsticks, makeups that she carries around all the time, and it has like very heavy stains right here. Okay, so today's video is going to be how to get rid of this makeup stains. You name it. She's got the lipsticks on, she's got the whatever facial cream, whatever she uses, is all on here. So today's video, yep, you got it. So let's get right into it. So the things that you need to remove the lipstick stains and things like that are Downy. This Downy stuff is good for a duct cleaning because you know why? Because the Downy can remove grease, and guess what? Lipstick is grease based. So this is really good for this one. And you're gonna need a small container with 1 ounce of water. And guess what? A beat up toothbrush. Okay, that's all you need. So let's get to it. So let me go ahead and put like about a tablespoon of Downy. Okay, and get rid of this. Let's kind of mix it up like this. All right, so let's do this part first. And all you got to do is just start rubbing in the affected area like this. Keep on rubbing. Look at this. This is the magic. Look at that. More scrubbing I do, it just thing just comes right off. And so because the Downy is such a safe product to use on animals and ducks, and I'm not sure if you guys remember, but in Alaska they had a oil spill in Alaska, and a lot of wild birds got covered with the oil base and stuff. So people or volunteers rescuing, they use Downy to get rid of the oil off of birds so that they can fly again. So look at that. See how that stuff is coming off more? So I just need to apply a little bit more in this area, and I'm gonna do this whole thing like this, okay? So let me go ahead and stop the video and give you the progress of what I have done. I have done much as I can to do agitation, and look at the, earlier guys, I made a mistake. I keep on saying Downy, but it's Dawn, okay? But you guys know what I meant. But look at this, I'm showing it to you. Do you remember all the red stains, things like that? It is all gone, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this, and then once I rinse this thing, and I'm gonna soak it in the hot water to completely eliminate, and then I'm gonna show you the progress on that one as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and agitate just like this as well. Just like if I was to wash my clothes, my shirt, just agitate this more. So it's a good idea, so once the water is in here, it's good to agitate like this, the whole entire bags. As soon as I'm done with washing this, it's gonna be like a brand spanking new backpack. And guess what? Who's gonna like it? My wife. Yep. And I'm in the final stage of just rinsing. I just wanted to show you guys that the stain that used to be on lipsticks, voila, it's not there anymore. Okay, so I'm just gonna do final rinse, and I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry for overnight, and I'll show you the tomorrow result. Hey, and it's all been nice and dry, and everything has been washed and rinsed and sanitized and whatever. But let me show you the stain that we were working on earlier. Guess what? It is all gone. Can you believe that? A Downy, what can Down, not Downy, Down can do. Such a wonderful dishwasher. So anyways, I'm so excited. Not for me, for my wife though. She's excited to use this. And so anyways, nice backpack and nice and clean. And thanks for watching my video, and see you next video. Bye.